Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get the plasma wing in Roblox for free. So this item is available only through the limited events and special reward drops. So I'm gonna be explaining to you how you can still claim it if it becomes active again. So when you come here on roblox.com, when you click on the option of marketplace, you will see that there is no plasma wing item available. It is because plasma wing isn't a regular shop item, so you can't actually buy it with Robux. Now Roblox usually releases it during the seasonal events, sponsor challenges, or avatar reward programs where players complete the in-game tasks to unlock the exclusive cosmetics. So to get it for free, the first thing that you should do is to simply check the current Roblox events. So here in the events section, you are going to see the discover page. So whenever Roblox brings the plasma wing back, it will appear as a part of the quest line or badge challenge. So completing those tasks automatically unlocks the item in your inventory. Another way to get it with the help of the limited time reward codes that Roblox sometimes releases during the live streams or the partner promotions. So these codes are also entered through the standard redeem page and instantly add the plasma wing to your avatar if the code is still active. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.